Look at this. Look at this. He just want to tell you something. Look at this. Wow, something going on. Something will change in our lives. Look at this.